Hello everyone, good day. In this short tutorial we learn how can we create any themes, child theme. Okay, as you know, child theme is a beautiful concept of WordPress. Let's say you downloaded a theme from somewhere and you did some customization to the theme. Okay, so what will happen when the next theme update comes? When you update it, all the updation or customization you did, that will be vanished. Okay, so in that case you need to the solution to this problem is you need to create a child theme. So you did your customization to the child theme, and you can continue to update your parent theme and it will not affect. Okay, so uh, let's start doing that. First of all, we have to go to the plugins area. We will do this child theme. We can do we create child theme by two ways. One is by using a plugin, another one is by using manually. We will see both ways. Today we will learn how can we do this with a plugin. How can we create a child theme, WordPress child theme with plugins. Okay, let's go to the plugins area, click on add new, search for generate generate child theme. Okay, this one we are searching for. This one, let's click on install now. Theme plugin is already installed. Click on activate. Plugin is installed and activated. Now go to a new menu. You can see here is added a new menu. It's called generate child theme. Create on it. First of all, you can see all the features. It's lightweight, support all themes on WordPress, super simple to set up, less configuration and incredible support. Okay, let's go to the dashboard. Generate child theme. First of all, you have to create the theme you want to create. You have to choose a parent theme first of all. Okay, so here we can see there is only one. Let's go to the themes area. We have only one theme. It's 2022. So that's why there is only one theme here. If there is many theme, you can see the theme name in this drop down list. So we will create select the parent theme, then we will write the child theme's name, 2022 child theme. Let's write that, copy the description here also. Author, let's say author is webplug. You can define a version, let's say it's 1.0. Click on generate. Theme switched. Okay, that's all. We have created the child theme. See the theme details. Go to the theme details. Its name is 2022 child theme. Here is the author, version, and this is a, you can see the description. This is a child theme of 2022. Okay, and it's already activated. Okay, you can also activate the parent theme. Now you can see there is a update now button. If you do any customization in this 2022 theme, a child theme, if you update the theme, the updation from this theme, child theme, will not be go. It will stay. All the customization you do to the child theme will stay. So you can easily update if there is any update, you can easily update the theme. It will not affect on your child theme, but theme will be updated. Okay, in this way you can be both safe, and you can keep or persist your customization to the theme. That's all for today. Let's go to the if let's see if our site is active or broken. Now we can see our child theme is running and our site is seems perfect. Okay, that's all for today. I will see you on the next one. Bye.